And the experts are telling us, never have we seen the water levels of Lake Victoria rising to this level since 1958. Today, from the brief we have received from our team here in Nakuru County, is that never have we seen the water levels of Lake Naivasha rise to this level. We have been shown the families affected here, and you are talking of about 1860 families that have been displaced, largely in the Kihoto slums around here. And we are here to urge those who are still close to the lake to move. Experts are telling us rains will go on.